Mancave Tech. Hey guys, here is our new interesting video about the Mancave Tech. In this video, we are going to tell you about some most interesting and advanced gadgets that you must have in your man cave. Studio speakers. Our first product is the R1280T studio speakers. The R1280T powered bookshelf speakers feature a contemporary appearance and deliver high-quality audio. The R1280T bookshelf speakers are the go-to 2.0 speaker system if you're seeking cost-effective, adaptable, and uncompromised bookshelf speakers. This bookshelf speaker system produces powerful full-bodied bass notes thanks to a 4-inch bass driver and a calibrated flared bass reflex port. A small functional remote control is provided. Every time the speakers are turned on, the built-in tone control on the side of the active speaker lets you adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Soundproofing noise-canceling wedge panels. Play your games without waking the kids. Easy to install. Panels that block out noise are the second item. Acoustic foam panels can be used as soundproofing for walls, ceilings, and doors. With the help of soundproof foams, you may practice any musical instrument, watch movies, play games, or listen to music without being bothered by loud noises. Soundproof foams are created from a non-toxic, fireproof high-quality material. Ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. Our third product is Alienware Ultra-Wide Curved Gaming Monitor. The 2300R screen and 21:9 aspect ratio of this 37.5-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor improve the field of view for an immersive gaming experience. Gamers may observe up to 24% more screen pixels on the ultra-wide WQHD curved panel, which guarantees a wide viewing angle for a seamless dual monitor experience. With the 1 millisecond GTG response time, fast in-plane switching technology preserves the image at extremely fast speeds, while eradicating motion blur to ensure fluid gameplay. The VESA Display HDR600 technology used in this IPS curved panel produces outstanding color accuracy and a diminished halo effect, bringing the smallest details to life. This monitor, which has received the NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate certification, provides a seamless, tear-free immersion for extremely low latency gaming. LED desk lamp with headphone stand. The LED desk lamp with headphones is our fourth item. It has a headphone hanger, a USB port, a 2-outlet power strip, 1250 watts, memory functionality, 3 light modes, and 3 brightness settings. Dimmable levels, 60-minute timer. You may put your headphones behind the lamp and not worry about falling thanks to the base's weight. For each task, Drevitt desktop lighting is optimized. Additional USB ports make it comfortable, easy and organized to charge your smartphone, iPad, tablet, or other smart devices without plugging it into the wall. It can recognize your device automatically and charge it as quickly as possible, up to 2.4 amps. Charge your Bluetooth devices, laptops, and printers. Beverage refrigerator cooler. The Wanai beverage refrigerator is our fifth product. With the help of eco-power technology, the Ultra R600A cool compressor quickly raises the temperature of your beverages, while the unit's energy-saving mechanics, 58 watts, keep the environment out of it. Its compact, freestanding setup requires no mounting. Just place, plug, and enjoy. Its adjustable shelving and blue LED lights allow easy access. With a storage capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, the cooler can easily hold 50 to 60 cans while occupying only a 2 square foot footprint. You can set temperature and lighting on and off at the touch of a button, then let the cooler do the rest. You can set the temperature anywhere from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your beverage as chilled as you need. Gaming chair. Our sixth item is the AutoFold gaming chair, a racing-style PU leather computer gaming chair that is ergonomically designed for gamers and features 3D bionic lumbar support. The 3D lumbar cushion is made to support you while you work or play games all day and helps a lot with back pain. The thick, dense memory foam padding strikes a balance between support and comfort to give you cushioning that feels natural and snug. For greater durability and comfort, the core of the chair is covered in racing CPU leather, and the outer edges are lined with smooth carbon fiber to withstand daily use better. Chairs with a 360-degree swivel, a 3.2-inch height adjustable headrest pillow, and retractable footrest allow you to find the most comfortable position for working, gaming, reading, or napping. Up to 350 pounds can be supported by the sturdy nylon base and integrated metal frame. Carbon fiber and PU leather give you a better touch and feel, and the SGS certified 4-level cylinder keeps you safer. LED light strips. The Day Better LED strip lights are our 7th product. The 50-foot LED strip lights can be controlled with either the app Apollo Lighting or a 24-key IR remote. This lets you change the color and modes of the lights. 50 feet of ultra-long LED strip lights are sufficient to illuminate the entire house and cover your entire bedroom. The RGB LED strip lights have a timer feature that lets you preset a time when the LED lights will turn on, off, and change color so you can enjoy it in a smart way. The LED lights can be extremely durable and colorful thanks to the 50/50 RGB LED chips. The LED light strip can be dimmed and offered in a variety of colors and modes via the remote. Fire Stick TV 4K. The Fire Stick TV, our 8th product, is a 4K streaming device with the most recent Alexa voice remote, which includes TV controls and Dolby Vision. With Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10 Plus support, you can watch in vivid 4K Ultra HD. Select titles with compatible home audio systems support immersive Dolby Atmos audio, bringing scenes to life. You can listen to millions of songs and stream more than 1 million movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and other providers. There may be subscription fees. Subscribe to Sling TV, YouTube TV, and other services to watch live television, news, and sports. Pluto TV, Freevee, YouTube, and other apps let you stream for free. With your voice, you can search for and launch content. With a single remote, you can control power and volume, ask Alexa to check the weather, dim the lights, view live camera feeds, stream music, and more. From the main menu, you can quickly access your favorite apps, live TV, and the things you use the most. It's small enough to be hidden and easy to set up. Just plug it in behind your TV and connect to the internet to get started. Jellyfish Aquarium. A Dirtman the Hypnotic Jellyfish Aquarium is our 9th product. A beautiful, tranquil, peaceful, and calming deep-sea ambiance is created by the movement of a realistic, lifelike jellyfish in the tank with fascinating color-changing lights, which can assist in reducing stress and anxiety. Fascinating effects that change color with a motor that runs quietly. 2 lifelike synthetic jellyfish with 18 LED lights, 6 red, 6 blue, and 6 green. It is controlled by a 100-volt to 240-volt UL adapter. Any room you put the animated jellyfish lamp in will be illuminated with vibrant LED lights and simulated marine life. Tube Clock. The Nixie Tube Clock is our 10th product, and it features motion sensor and visual effects in brand new simple-to-replace Ion 14 Nixie tubes. They are not soldered to the PCB with replaceable Nixie tubes. This feature significantly extends the lifespan of Nixie tubes thanks to the motion sensor. When nobody is near the clock, the Nixie tubes are turned off by the motion sensor. If you want to keep Nixie tubes always on, you can turn off this feature in the menu. It provides crossfading and 2 slot machine effects, as well as other visual effects. It supplies precise electronic components that are modern and dependable. Desktop Charging Station Hub. Our 11th product is the USB charger, a 100-watt, 8-port desktop charging station hub with PD fast charger, LEC display wireless charging station, and a quick charge QC 3.0 USB port. Common USB ports. Port for QC 3.0, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 5 volts, 3.4 amps, 9 volts, 2.3 amps, and PD port, 5 volts, 3.4 amps, 9 volts, 2.3 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, wireless charging, maximum 10 watts. Wireless charging is a very convenient charging station when your phone has a wireless charging function. Its 8 USB ports generate a total of 100 watts of power and permit simultaneous charging of up to 7 devices at a USB charger station. It supports QC 3.0 fast charging and PD quick charging. It is a USB charging hub with a professional management system and CE and RoHS safety certification. Overheat, overcharging, overcurrent, overload, surge, and short circuit protection automatically safeguard your devices and significantly extend your battery life. A robust function for security protection to safeguard your equipment provides you with a safety USB hub charger. It comes equipped with a digital LCD display, and the multiple USB charging stations intelligently displays the charging status and current for each charging port on the screen. This lets technology and intelligence shine through. The slim and lightweight design is ideal for desktop, office, and home use. The display has a vibration switch built into it, and the design of the soft light is not particularly eye-stimulating. It is normal for the shaking to make a sound, which could be used to turn off the display. I hope you found this video helpful in learning about the technology you can use in your tech man cave. Please like the video and press the bell icon to see more of this kind of content.